Okay, in this bedroom, I did the floors, vacuumed the carpet, the mirrors, and polished the furniture. Both closets did the same thing as far as the floors, vacuumed and mopped the floors. Bathroom, it wasn't that much to do, but there was some debris in the tub, so I did the tub, the toilet, of course, the floor, and cleaned the inside of the sink as well, of all bathrooms, so, and polished the front, the floors. As you can see, I vacuumed that. I just made the lines in there so you know that it is vacuumed, polished. What I was able to polish, it's not that much, but the floors as well. I tried to get that white mark out. It didn't come out. I don't know what that's from. So I did my little markings with on the stool, and I did my little markings. I don't know if you can see it or not. Kind of hard to see. On the pillow, polished everything. Did the floor, vacuumed the carpet, which is kind of hard to tell the type of carpet it is. And I did the toilet, and a little debris that was in the tub, I guess from the painters. I did that as well. And also did the sinks of all bathrooms. And I dusted the glass too. And of course the floor as well. Down the steps. Of course, it's the inside the sink. Polish up the hand set, the handle. Clean that. Did a little marking right there. And inside the toilet, and the floor. And here I did the same thing. I just touched up the glass desk, mopped, and vacuumed. Polished up, not polished, but cleaned the glass of the mirrors, polished the lamp, and dust the top of that, the top of the picture. And in here, vacuumed, made my little markings on the chair. Made my little markings right there as well. Vacuumed, polished the glass top and the little bulbs. Wipe off the glass table. Did my little markings on the chairs. And vacuumed. It's right here. Re-wiped it, cleaned it, and cleaned inside the sinks, the countertop, and I polished the fronts of the cabinets. And I did the top, cleaned the microwave too. Same thing in here. The glass top, the carpet as well. It's off the floor. Countertops. You need more light? There you go. There you go.
It's
And the floors.